Welcome back. This is Little Maple English and I'm your teacher Joanne. Today we're going to learn about the difference between some versus any. So let's take a look at today's lesson. So 1, we're going to learn about how to use some. 2, we're going to learn how to use any. And 3, polite requests. So let's have a look at the meaning of some and any. So both some and any express certain amount or number of something. But some is used in affirmative or positive sentences. Any is used in questions or negative sentences. So some is used in affirmative sentence. No article is required when you're using some. Do you remember from the previous class what articles were? They are a, an, or the. So you do not have to use it when you're using some. And it can be used before plural or uncountable nouns. Guys, now you see how important nouns are. So remember, if you do not know what nouns are, please go back to our previous class. And some is also used when exact quantity is unknown or do not want to say the exact quantity. So let's take a look at some example sentences. There are some apples on the table. So when you use some, it does not really tell you the exact number of apples, but it tells you that there are maybe 2, 3, 4, you name it, some apples on the table. Catherine needs some money. It means that she wants money, but she does not mention the exact quantity of money that she wants. Let's take a look at the last example. They took some pictures during the trip. Once again, we don't know how many pictures they took, but we know that there are numbers of pictures that they took during the trip. So when do you use any? Some and any have no difference in meaning, but it is used in different contexts. It is used in questions or negative sentences. No article is required and can be used before plural or uncountable nouns. It is used when thinking about certain amount or number of something. So it is pretty much same with some. So let's take a look at some examples of any. Joanne don't want any potatoes. It means that I don't want any quantity of potatoes. But since I'm using a negative form, don't, I cannot use some. I have to use any. The second example says, did they buy any tomatoes? It is in a question form. Therefore, we have to use any in this sentence. And lastly, she does not eat any fruit. Once again, it is in a negative form, so we have to use any. Polite request. Some can be used in offers and requests. I have said that some is actually used in affirmative sentence, but if you're offering or requesting something, you could actually use some to form your sentences. It can also be used in questions when we expect that the answer will be yes. So let's take a look at the example. Would you like some cookies? It's offering something, so we can use some in this question. Could you pass me some salt? Once again, it's asking, it's requesting to pass the salt. Therefore, we can use some. And lastly, do you need some help? So in this question, we are offering help. So therefore, we can use some. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next class. Bye-bye.